ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 88, ஸ்லோகா 9. யுவாம் மாமேவ த்வௌ அதிக விவ்ருத அந்தர்ஹிததயா விபின்னௌ சந்திரஷ்டும் ஸ்வயம் அகம் ஆஹார்ஷம் த்விஜசுதான் न एतं द्राक् एतान् इति खलु वितीर्णान् पुनः अमून् द्विजाय आदाय अदाः प्रणुतमहिमा पाण्डुजनुषा. Word by word meaning. Adhika Vivruta Antarhitataya. Adhika Vivruta, where the divinity is exceedingly manifest. Antarhita, where the divinity is obstructed. Because of the divinity being exceedingly manifest in one and obstructed in the other. Vibhinnav, being different. Mam eva, but in reality, me alone. Yuvam dvau, you too. Sandrashtum, to see. Aham swayam, I myself. Dvija sutan, the sons of the Brahmana. Aharsham, took away. Etan, them. Drak nayetam, take away immediately. Iti, saying thus. Vitirnan, amoon, them who were given. Adaya, taking. Pandu Janusha, by Arjuna. Pranuta Mahima Tvam, thou whose glory was sung. Dvijaya, to the Brahmana. Punaha Adaha Khalu, didst then return. Full meaning. The Lord handed over the children to thee, saying, I myself took away the children of the Brahmana in order to see both of you who are myself alone, but appearing as different because of the divinity being fully manifest in one and obstructed in the other. You may now take them back immediately. Thou didst then take the children and return them to the Brahmana, while thy glory was sung by Arjuna. Note: Sri Krishna being constituted of pure sattva, the divinity in him is fully manifest, while the divinity in Arjuna is obstructed because his mind is made up of rajas and tamas also, in addition to sattva. Om Tat Sat.